Hey guys, my name is Suman Gurjar and I'm the student of Mansoor University from Department of Business Management and Commerce. Well, if I talk about my university, it has given me a lot of opportunities, and because of these opportunities, I'm able to groom my personality and nurturing the grounds with holistic approach as well. Well, I remember the first day of my college when I entered it. The university is like a temple, and here all the professors are like God who are always there to support you in every phase of life. The departments are well equipped with best classroom and the most important, excellent support from the dedicated staff. And because of this, I was able to have a multiple offers from the different companies. Well, I was usually engaged with the different activities like extracurricular activities, functions, inductions, and because of these functions and all this, I was able to build my skills. And when you started building your skills, it seems like something is developing in yourself. And today, it is really helping me because I have built my professional skills with these skills. So I was like to tell you that I got placed. I remember the 6th of Jan when I got placed in the EdTech, that is Extra Marks Education India Private Limited, with the highest package, that is 12.4 lakh per annum. So I just want to say that university is giving us the opportunities, but it's we how we grab this opportunity, how we take this opportunity. Last but not the least, I would like to say some few lines that you can lead the legends, you can rise up the infinity. You can rewrite the definition. And being a student of Mansoor University, I feel proud because here the professors have a freedom to create a learning environment. So I just wish you all the very best and thank you so much, Mansoor University, for this opportunity. Thank you so much.